Please take out Math Lesson 5.9, Number Recognition 1 through 10. Today, the only thing you're going to need is a pair of scissors. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to cut out all these little squares, okay? And when you cut them out, they will have these pictures on the front and these pictures on the back. Okay, but what you're going to do once you have all of these cut out is you're going to match them. So you're going to match the number 1 to one picture. Okay, or you can match the number symbol with one thing. So it will work whichever side you have the cards on. So what you do is you cut them all out, and then you're going to play a matching game. Okay? So that's all there is to today's assignment. Not much instruction, just a lot of application. Have fun playing the game.